Good morning, Madonnas. Big up on a nice clean self. How you feel as a woman knowing that you have your friend and your friend can tell your man to carry her, pick her up and carry her, go places, and you don't know about it. Ladies, drop this in the comment section below. Let me know how you feel about that. Because I was talking to this lady and she was telling me about that same situation and she was asking me my opinion. And I said, honestly, that is not something is acceptable. The other day was a funeral here, and I have one friend here in America that is close to me, call and talk to and share anything. And when me hear she say, I'm my husband carry her, go at the funeral, me hear she say, I'm my husband carry her, go at the funeral. And me say, my husband carry her, go at the funeral. And she said, no, not so me mean carry me here. Meaning he carry her from the funeral to my house because she never drive. That kind of shocked me because I was like, so my husband pick you up and me never know about it. And that me said to her. And she said, no, me never said that. Me say, he carry me here. So me think she mean carry him go to the funeral. But I was talking to this lady and she has shared with me that her best friend tend to call her man and tell her man to carry her places. And that is just not acceptable because if me and you have best friend, why me no know I ask my husband then you can pick up my friend Gracie and carry her. She asks if I lift because she no drive. Once God's hurt, you are gonna text my man and I tell him to come pick you up and carry you go places. That is not acceptable. In a Jamaica where we grew up, right? Um, these things happen. It happen. And maybe people don't take nothing for it. But this time and place and age, in this time now where people not really have no heart and then cold and then no loving no more, it's like, that trust just not there. All right, you have my husband number, you have my man number, and you maybe text him, ask him if he's on the road, if he can pick you up and maybe drop you something or whatever cause him drive. Yeah, maybe that, but at the same time, me and you are friend. Call me as a friend and say, um, Donna, some there at the supermarket, Tom up on the road or you can pick me up or whatever. That is a different case. If me know say my partner they out there and she call me and me tell him say if we go pick her up or them something there. Let me be the one to pass the news on. You know, go behind my back and I text me partner, tell my partner, say, to come pick you up and carry go places. Things and time change. Maybe years ago, me wouldn't take it so serious. But now, everybody up in them feelings, everything. Me not think it's right. Me not think it's right for your best friend to text your man and I tell your man to come, period. Me not think it right. Come through me. And me and you are friends. But Madonnas, let me know in the comment section how you feel about the situation here because the lady say, and a one time and a two time and it's like she had to make a habit and she talk to her. And if me think say she should have be suspicious of anything, but me I tell her say me no know if you tell her say, but at the same time she have to talk to her partner because a relationship without trust and honesty is nothing. If you have a partner and him go pick up your friend how much time and you talk to him about it and say, why you go behind my back and I go pick up my friend? Why don't my friend? And me I go reach out to him. Me I go talk to my friend, but me I go reach out to him. And if me say it the first time and you still go behind my back and do it, then me I go be suspicious. Yeah, me I go be suspicious. Big man thing. But on tell me on the thoughts in the comment section. If you think say, well, me not think that is anything or a serious time now and whole heap of friend I lose them friend over them man, they sleep with them man. And Me have a partner where me trust, but at the same time, me just think say, you know right. Don't text me husband or me man and tell him to come pick you up and carry you places. Me not think that's right. Anyways, me Donna, wanna leave on the thoughts in the comment section for now one, yeah? Me not too long get up, and decided say me I go come. In a me night to see me. So me I go come voice my opinion pan one, yeah. No tell me on the thoughts in the comment section. Me I look for soon a respond, and she might be over here. I watch too and want to see what I say. So just leave on the thoughts. Tell me how you feel about that situation there, because I know every woman want them best friend fi have them man number and are able to text them, because sometimes as a woman to woman, you might have go through something with your partner and you go tell your friend. And your friend maybe like your partner you don't even know, and them the one side a pray upon your partner, and them the least opportunity them get, them try to push up themselves by your partner. Seriously. Woman stay so. Once them know say yeah, you're not happy in your relationship, them find a way to sneak themselves in and kinda push up themselves on the man too. Sometimes another man. But when you and your partner no agree or have animosity or go on in our own life, Satan find a way to sneak in. And that can also be a friend where you say are your best friend. Because nowadays people not loyal. Lot of people where you think say are your friend, they are not your genuine friend. You tell them something and then go behind your back and go back and go tell your partner no mind sharp. Just your partner feel hurt. And then them find a way to push up themselves because maybe them think say you have a good thing going on, and them want to replace you or then something, because people thought just it happen all the time. All the time it happen. You can't trust people again like one time. But when me said to my girlfriend the other day when she come over here at the funeral, and me say, you drive, my husband pick you up and carry you go to funeral? She said, no, that's not what I said. I say, him carry me over because me never drive. So I say, oh, you reach at the funeral. He said the car, she said the car, I think she said the car where she going now, it did full, and through him did I come over from the funeral, she leave and come over before the funeral finish, and she come with him from the funeral. That are not nothing. Even if cause me and her are close to like a sister for over maybe like what, 23 years now. So if she even takes my husband and tell him to pick him up, maybe me wanna feel so bad about it because me know the kind of person she is, and me know the kind of person my husband is. But at the same time, and everybody can't trust everybody. You understand? Me know say she not go there so. And the reason why me know, she already in the family. And my husband, him not go do that. Me not put my head down pan black for no man. But me can't say he not go do that. Yeah. He not give me no reason for how much in years, over 20 odd years, for feel like him are that kind of person, eh? Even though people can change, as me say, me not put my head on the block, but him never give me that kind of reason. And him know my friend for a very long time. So, and as me say, him is a disciplined man. And over the years, people, you listen to them talk, you see where them stand for, you see the thing where get them upset, you see the thing where, so you kind of like adjust to that. And no say, him is not that kind of person. But leave on the thoughts in the comment section and how you feel about it. Big up on a nice clean self. Mwah. Love you now. Bye.